Bangladesh Airline 89er4. Manila Tower Bangladesh Airline 89er 415 miles southwest inbound ILS runway 06 approach.
Bangladesh Airline 89er4 Manila Tower. Altimeter 29.801092 at 4. Cleared ILS runway 06 approach.
Cleared ILS runway 06 approach Bangladesh Airline 89er4.
EVA 277 heavy turn next taxiway. EVA 277 heavy contact ground on 128.8. Cebu 657 altimeter 29.801092 at 4. Cleared for takeoff runway 06. EVA 277 heavy. Goodbye. Cleared for takeoff runway 06 Cebu 657. Cebu 9er12 heavy, follow the Airbus A20N on final. Wind 09er2 at 4. Cleared to land runway 06. Cleared to land runway 06 Cebu 9er12 heavy. Cebu 9er12 heavy, go around. Going around Cebu 9er12 heavy. Cebu 9er12 heavy, contact Manila approach on 119er.9er. Good day. Cebu 657 contact Manila departure on 124.4. Good day. 119er.9er Cebu 9er12 heavy. Goodbye. 124.4 Cebu 657. Goodbye. Manila Tower Orient Pacific 2819er ready for IFR departure runway 06. Orient Pacific 2819er altimeter 29.801092 at 4. Cleared for takeoff runway 06. Cleared for takeoff runway 06 Orient Pacific 2819er. Airline 89er4 wind 09er2 at 4. Cleared to land runway 06.
Cleared to land runway 06 Bangladesh Airline 89er4.
Cebu 509er heavy, follow the Airbus A20N on final. Wind 09er2 at 4. Cleared to land runway 06. Cleared to land runway 06 Cebu 509er heavy. Orient Pacific 2819er contact Manila departure on 124.4. Good day.
1000.
2509er Heavy. Depot 509er Heavy, contact Manila approach on 124.4. Good day.